Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, you probably know that I'm a big fan of Samsung products, including the Galaxy Watch. This is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here. I've been using for just over around about a year, around about 12 months since its release, and I love it. It's great. However, when you're doing workouts, I find it really irritating that you'll be doing a workout. Let's just start one quickly. I remember to take these off later, otherwise it'll be thinking gone mad. Let's say we're doing some crunches. We'll do start, and then
into position to start counting reps.
Chill.
Set 1. Set 1 has been completed. Take a break for 1 minute.
So say we've just finished it, you have to swipe across, go into new, and then look for the next thing you're going to do. So I've done my crunches, so I'm going to go into burpees. And then we go into burpees, and I have to start them.
Get into position to start counting reps.
When you're in a workout mode and you just want to go from one exercise to the next, it can be a bit annoying. You can either do it on your watch or your phone, but still not ideal. Obviously, during that time, your heart rate's going to drop. Samsung has brought on board now is custom workouts. I'm just going to show you on the Fold. So we'll unlock this and go to Samsung Health. You can see here I've already got my routine 1. I'm going to show you how to set this up, because on my routine 1, you see I've got squats, and I'll do 3 sets of 10 reps, and then 1 minute rest in between, a 1 minute break, and then into lunges, where it's the same 10 reps, 3 sets, 1 minute in between. Now all this can be customized. I'm going to show you how to set one up. So once you're in Samsung Health, you have the exercise part here. You just tap on more, and then there's a little plus symbol at the top right there. Tap plus. You can select from the list, or create a new exercise, or create workout routine. So we'll go with routine here. You can have a warm-up on or off, so you've got a 5 minute warm-up there, or you can do it manually. Let's turn that off for now. And then you just go to add exercise. So first thing you really want to do, just to make it easier for yourself, you got my routine 2. Let's change that to leg day. Just to keep it simple. Put leg day in there, and enter, and we'll have a cool down, because otherwise, legs get a bit sore the next day. Come on, there we go. Sorry, trying to work around the camera. You tap add exercise, and you can see they've all got little things next to them, so you don't have to come back to the screen each time you add an exercise, which is good. There's all kinds in there, but if we just go for, let's see, free weight maybe, and we'll go down to, it's all split into sections to make it really easy. We can go legs, and we'll just select leg curls, legs extensions, leg press. Let's go all of it apart from skaters. And then done at the bottom. So you can see it's got the list there, and you can change it anytime you want. You can add or remove them. When you go into leg curls, you'll see it says no target. Select that, and then you can change that to either duration, calorie target, or you can customize it, go for reps. So you can do like 12 reps, set your rest, and set your sets as well. Or you can change rest to manual. So you can just tap done to move on to the next set or exercise, which leads me on to the next point. We save that. Down at the bottom here, you can see there's an option to add breaks between exercises. And you can even change it into a circuit as well. So you can, if you want to do the same thing, get to the end, start again, can do, just add that, change that to 3 circuits, and that will work it out automatically. Again, you've got your cool down. If you go into the break, again, you've got some options there as well. Manual, you can set the timer, and you can apply it to all the breaks. So for example, maybe with plank and press ups, you don't want to have a break in between, but then on the rest of them you do. You can just select apply to all breaks and change that manually if you want to. Finally, once you're on the exercise as well, I forgot to mention earlier, if we set the target, you can see at the bottom, auto switch to next exercise. So essentially, you don't need to touch the watch. Once you've done your reps, it'll automatically take you on to the next exercise. It eliminates thinking, right, what's next? And it also stops you taking too long of a break. So you'll do your 3 sets of leg curls, you'll have your break in between of whatever you set it to, and then you're straight into leg extensions. It's a lot easier to keep that exercise going and the momentum going when you're not swapping between the exercises manually and doing it on your watch. highly recommend setting this up, really having a look at it. I have one set up just purely for days that I don't make it to the gym. So some days I have my daughter, can't go to the gym, I just want to do a quick 15-20 minute workout. So you can see I've got squats, lunges, burpees, plank, push-ups, sit-ups, crunches. It's like my full body done in 18 minutes, 7 exercises, 18 minutes. So all good, gravy. If you have any questions on there, let me know in the comments. Thank you for following, thank you for watching the video. See you in another one.